Ho, what is up, you guys? My name is Blitzversion1 and welcome back yet again to Reaction Time installment 50. 50 and it's Spooptober. That's amazing to me. I can't believe that I ended up hitting Reaction Time 50 right as October hit. That is fucking awesome. Anyway, we're moving on to chills. Yes, I've been so looking. Actually didn't realize this was chills until I just now looked at the was putting the information down for the description. And it's chills. 5 scary videos filmed by Doorbell camera. I think I've seen something similar, but I don't know if it was from Chills or not. So if this is a repeat, I apologize. Doesn't matter because Chills is good because his voice just pure fucking horror voice. So without further ado, Chills, take it away.
Number 5.
Oh, there it is.
What you're looking at is Santa Clarita, California during the tick fire of 2019.
Holy shit. Whoa.
The homeowner writes, the fire had just started and within minutes it surrounded our home.
Jesus, it's over here. It's way over here. Why can't you just stand there?
People were evacuated only minutes before the fire approached.
God, that sounds like my kid's freaking out about something.
Los Angeles Magazine reports that the tick fire burnt through several thousand acres and forced mass evacuation of some 40,000 people. Luckily, no one was hurt in this video, and this family's home was miraculously saved.
Jesus.
Number 4. It's everyone's worst nightmare, a home intruder breaking in the middle of the night.
But that's always dumb to do because people are home at night. Hi. Smile for the camera, motherfucker.
Hey, what do you need?
That's the homeowner's voice. This homeowner said he thought one of his son's friends was trying to get into the garage.
What do you need?
But then the man came into the house.
Hey, what do you need, dude?
Sorry, I didn't mean to run into your house.
Who the f*** are you? Go it. Robbie.
The homeowner doesn't know how far the man entered into his house.
Somebody's got the f***ing back door, dude.
Yo!
For real.
He ran out the front door to try and cut the man off, but he was gone.
I am not f***ing joking, dude.
I know, I see the light.
Yeah?
Number 3. You can probably guess that this guy's not a construction worker.
No.
He peers inside to see if anyone's home. Then he knocks again. He's looking a bit anxious. He tries to force the door. Notice he does so with a glove, no prints. Finally satisfied that the home is empty, he waves over his partner in crime.
Yeah.
Then he calls someone on the radio.
So I don't like front doors that are like encased like this, because you can't see nothing on the left side if you have a doorbell cam. you get this tiny narrow view of your front step, but that's it. You can't see if anyone's over here. You can't see if anyone's over here. And that is just, if someone knows this camera's here, they can easily hide in the blind spots. And that just, that makes me nervous.
His partner arrives. Armed with the tools to break in. In short order, they try and force the door. But their plan is soon thwarted.
Get away from the door.
The homeowner was alerted on their phone and confronted the men through their doorbell camera, chasing them away. And triggering an alarm.
You could hear the alarm start kicking off as soon as they started working on the door. Fucking idiots.
Number 2. Would you open the door if the police came dressed like this? These 2 suspicious men are trying to pull one over on this homeowner. They're knocking at 3 in the morning.
I don't know why you blur out the gun. We could already see it. The fuck was that?
When they finally speak, they claim to be from CPD or Columbus Police Department.
CPD, open up. We need to ask you a couple questions.
I don't think he's wearing that mask because he's sick. He tries again.
This is where I'd be a smartass and be like, you know I can fucking see you, right?
At last, he gets an answer.
Can I help you?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions.
I'm sorry?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door, please?
Obviously, the homeowner knows what's going on, but these guys are oblivious. They get into position.
CPD.
Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please.
Meanwhile, the homeowner has called the cops.
Can I see a badge?
We would like you to step to the door, please, sir. I don't have to show you my badge, sir.
Okay, give me a second.
Okay.
According to city data, Columbus, Ohio has a crime rate 1.3 times higher than the U.S. average. There were 641 burglaries per 100,000 residents in 2019.
Oh, come on, please show the
They
cops
try
show up.
knocking again.
CPD, open the door.
Little do they know, the real CPD is on the way. Finally, they give up, and they walk away empty-handed.
Fucking idiots, man. And they show their face and
Number
everything
one.
on the...
A tornado tore through Kentucky.
Oh, Jesus
and
Christ.
this doorbell camera bore witness. If you don't think what you're seeing deserves the #1 spot, then listen to this.
Oh! Woo, baby! Shit, hello. Damn. Wait,
This has been documented.
Wait, what the fuck? I'm confused. Chills. I mean, yeah, it's a tornado. I live in fucking Texas. I live right in Tornado Alley. That's not that bad.
This
I mean, yeah,
has
it's
been
gale
documented
force
reality.
winds.
Thank you to these individuals for allowing me to share their story. Watch the last episode here.
That's cool shit, dude. If you guys want to go check Chills out, feel free to do so. He's in the comments. He'll be in the description down below. God, his voice is just fucking amazing. We'll literally send chills down your spine watching these videos. That is going to do it for this episode. Those are for a different day. So that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have anything else, put it in the comments down below. If I don't get to it this month, I'll get to it in the months to come. If it's horror related, I'll still do it in November, December, and all that other stuff. It doesn't have to be strictly horror specific. Like I said, the next episode that's probably going to come up is going to be No Evil, because I'm going to continue that series until it's finished, so when the new series starts, we can start on that. So, that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Hey, yeah, peace out.